Welcome back to our Kuala Lumpur street food tour. In part 2, we're exploring the vibrant neighborhoods of Brickfields and Chinatown, where cultures and flavors collide. Our first stop is Brickfields, KL's Little India. The air here is filled with the scent of jasmine and freshly ground masala. It's a feast for all the senses. You can't visit Brickfields without trying banana leaf rice. It's a traditional South Indian meal where rice and various vegetable dishes are served on a leaf. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. For a quick bite, the street snacks here are unbeatable. These spicy, deep-fried lentil fritters known as vadai are crispy on the outside and soft inside. Watch the skill behind making a perfect tosai. This thin, fermented crepe is made from rice and lentil batter and served with coconut chutney and sambar. As the sun sets, we head to Petaling Street, the heart of Kuala Lumpur's Chinatown. This historic area is a treasure trove of legendary food stalls. The star here is the KL-style Hokkien mee. It's braised in a thick, dark gravy that's packed with wok hei, the essence of the flaming wok. Need something to cool down? Aromatic is the go-to drink. It's a sweet, cooling herbal tea that has been a Chinatown staple for generations. The roasted meats in Chinatown are legendary. This roasted duck is perfectly seasoned, with skin so crispy it crackles with every bite. Another local favorite is clay pot lo shu fun. The raw egg added at the end creates a silky, rich sauce that coats the short, springy noodles. From sweet muachi coated in peanuts to freshly roasted chestnuts, the variety of snacks along Petaling Street is endless. Don't miss the putu bambu. These delicate steamed rice cakes are filled with melted palm sugar and coated in fresh grated coconut. Chichong fun is another Chinatown classic. These slippery rice noodle rolls are served with a variety of sweet and savory sauces. These crispy fried sweet potato balls are a simple yet addictive treat. They're crunchy on the outside and airy on the inside, perfect for munching. Finally, we end with a comforting bowl of tofu fa. This warm, silky soy curd melts in your mouth and provides the perfect sweet finish. The flavors of Brickfields and Chinatown are a testament to KL's rich history. Join us in part 3 as we explore the hidden gems of the city. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.